Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'd like to share with you some TOK PISIN words and phrases that you may find useful when going shopping at the local market. So let's get started. Shopping at the local market. So when you go to the local market and you see coconuts there, in TOK PISIN, coconut, we say Kokonas. Okay, Kokonas. Okay, so for example, you want to know the cost of the coconut. So in singular, you might say, how much is that coconut? Okay, in TOK PISIN, we'll say Displa Kokonas hamas. Displa Kokonas hamas. Okay, Displa can refer to both this or that. Okay, Kokonas is coconut and hamas is how much. Okay, it's like a combination of how much. We say hamas. Okay, Displa Kokonas hamas. So now the plural form for more than one coconut. In English, you might ask, how much are those or these coconuts? Okay, in TOK PISIN, we'll say Displa all coconuts hamas. Okay, Displa all coconuts hamas. Okay, so from the singular to the plural, the only thing that changed in these two sentences is the word all for the plural. Okay, so coconuts, if it's singular or in plural, we just say coconas. Okay, but we just added the word all, meaning more than one. Displa all coconas hamas. Okay, so that was for coconuts or coconas in PG, TOK PISIN. Moving on, leafy greens. Okay, so when you go to PNG local market, you'll see a lot of green leafy vegetables, green leaves everywhere. So we eat a lot of greens. So in PNG, for us, the leafy greens, we refer to them as Kumu. Okay, Kumu. Kumu. Okay, so for cabbages, and there's other vegetables like cabbage and all that, we use the word cabbage. But anything that's leafy greens, we say Kumu. Okay, so for example, you want to ask for how much are these greens, because it's in a bundle, we say greens. You'll say, as we learned earlier, Displa. Okay, remember Displa can refer to this or those, okay, plural or in singular form, we just say Displa for this or those. Displa Kumu hamas. Okay, Displa Kumu hamas. Okay, for plural, if it's more than one bundle of greens, you can just add the all in there, like we learned in coconuts. Displa all Kumu hamas. Displa all Kumu hamas. Okay, and if you want to tell the lady or the guy that's selling the greens that you're going to get these greens, like you'll say, I'll get all of these greens. I'll just get it in here. I'll get all of these greens. You might tell them, buy me kisim olgeta Kumu. Okay, buy me kisim olgeta Kumu. Okay, buy is in the future. I'll buy me. Okay, buy is always in the future. Buy me kisim. Okay, kisim is get. Kisim is get. Olgeta, all of. Olgeta is all of. And Kumu. Okay, by ni, kisim, olgeta, Kumu. Okay. Okay, so moving on. Say for example, you went to the market with just 120 kina and you're not sure if they'll have change or not. So in English you might say, do you have change for 20 kina? Okay. You will say, you got change below 20 kina. There's another way of saying it is, you got senis below 20 kina. Senis. Okay, that's one other TOK PISIN word that we can also use as well. You got senis below 20 kina. Okay, but most often, I mean, when you say change, they understand, right? So you can use senis or change. It's up to you, but they can still understand if you say change. So you can say, you got change below 20 kina. Okay. You is you, got is have, change is of course change, below is 4 and 20 kina. Okay. You got change below 20 kina. Or you'll also hear people say senis. You got senis below 20 kina. Okay. The reply that the person might tell you, if they have change, they might say, I mean in English, the response will be like, yes, I have. So in TOK PISIN, they might reply as, yes, me got. Okay, yes, it's just yes. I have is me got. Have is got. Okay, or if they don't have change, they might say me no got. So you see, we just added the no in front of got, and it's like I do not have. I do not have. Do not have. Okay, got is have, and no got is do not have. Okay, so these are just some of the phrases and words that you might find helpful, useful when you're going shopping at the local market. I hope you found this information useful, and please comment below if you want to learn more, and I'll do some more videos for you guys. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in the next video.